Hi, I'm your friends. This is VideoPad, and I'll show you today how works, how you can add and animate the temperature effect in VideoPad. So, for example, we have such a video, but you want to change something, you want to make the day more sunny, for example. I'm drag and dropping the clip onto timeline, and I will do right click of my mouse on clip on timeline and find effects and add. And in this list I will find temperature. Okay. Now you can see this is a slider that can change temperature, and you can see how it will be. It will be a very bad day. Better picture for me, better video for you. I want it to be something like that. And you can just set it or you can animate it. For example, let's at the very beginning the weather to be fine and the temperature is 81, and so you have to click here adding first frame, then move the time slider in the middle, for example, and let us change the temperature to 23, for example. And I have to add new keyframe, and then at the very end let it be bigger again. So let's see how it works. It's nice. So temperature changes, it's animated. Thank you. Bye.